Give-way na, give-way. Give-way mo na, give-way.
For having Mr. Radio also on board on our programs under the national government. So in here for the last decade, we will be highlighting this afternoon some performance and fashion show that will encourage people to love and preserve our cultures. For example, we have here the Dapat, we have here the Maranaos, we have here the Yakans, we have here the different crews from different Bangsamoro communities that has different, very unique way of traditional albums, their art, their music, sure. So we hope everyone will here, invite your families, invite your friends to please stay here at this concert for the last day of our HEP 2025. And I heard there will be good deals also for the different exhibitors to give you good discount for this last day of the HEP 2025. So, nako, ngayon po pa lang, no? Ito, parating na po yung guest natin. Ngayon pa lang, may patikim na tayo for the last day of the HEP 2025. So, I hope that, nako, mamaya yung still stay. Dahil narinig ko, meron din po tayo mga celebrities na darating mamaya, especially when there will be a fashion show. Sino kaya ang magpa-fashion show? So, abangan po natin. Sino kaya yung mga guests nila?
Okay po, give-way po na po tayo.
Right, so please give room to our guests to please proceed here on stage so that later on, don't you worry po, huwag po kayong mag-alala, he will be roaming around. He will be visiting your booths, your different exhibitors from the back, at the back, and here on front. Inshallah, huwag po kayong mag-alala. He will say hi to each and every one of you. Wherein, ako, commitment na po yan, magagamit niyo po yan sa inyong mga stores, sa inyong mga businesses, dahil one picture from our very good guest speaker today, nako, grabe, nagbubo lahat ng alam ko ng mga dinadaanan niya ng mga exhibits. Tama po ba, Matanos? Yes. Ako naalala ko yan. Like, for example, we have the Matanos, kung saan thank you so much pala, Matanos, for providing us our lunch here in, yes, thank you so much, ma'am. So we're in, isa siya, no, sa dati, nag-booth din siya. Don't you know that siya rin, no, nung napadaan ang aming puting guest speaker ngayon, and took the picture of that, grabe, gamit na gamit nila sa kanilang social media dahil parang endorse na rin po niya ang Matanos for that. So, sobrang pasasalamat po ng Matanos
Kasama ko.
dahil napakalaki ang tulong ng ating
Sir, picture po.
Okay,
1, 2, 3,
so much also. If you have questions sa mga bisita natin, if you want to paalaman na certified, bakit na kailangan ng certified, you can even ask our exhibitors like Matanos, Mubarak, Lanchan, sino ba ba Mayor Leon? Ito kamay na rin ang okay ang dulo niya. Ang alam ko, pag nagsako na talagang it was door to door. And you know what happened? Ngayon, meron silang mga delivery people to do that, delivery trucks from 100 pesos to they are earning millions. Mashallah.
Sir, pa-selfie.
This time, we are encouraging everyone to please occupy our seats so that our group, Mr. President this morning, can smoothly come here on stage. A message for everyone.
Ano sasabihin mo? Ay, kapon. Pwede sumama? Pagkat lang po, sa tigil tayo. Ay na. Idol! Bubuhay ko, nakikita lang kita sa TV. all the way from Bicol. Idol!
This way.
Sana ma-mention. Pa-shoutout po. Nasaan ka na? Grabe, tayo hirapan niyo si Idol. Ano gagawin natin? Picture ba? Yes!
Cancelian.
Halal kopi, Idol. Sa'yo na yan, Idol. Halal kopi yan.
Next three. Atras konti.
Dito kayo pinanawan. Yeah. Ay, di exit.
Ano na? Thank you, Idol!
Ang daming bitbit eh.
So, certainly not the was then this project. So, ngayon nalaman ko na lang, na-try ang namin sweet chicken. And it's now soapy chicken. Grabe, diba? So, sana, napapasana ko lang na lang. Ito pala, yung mga naitulungan namin, you know, to connect different businesses from one investor to another, from one business to a bigger business. One business, nagsimula ng one business, ngayon marami na siyang business. So, marami tayong investors dito, diba, nakakasin nila, akala ko naglalakad ng mga masarap, pero investor period. Kaya probably, ang tanong na yun kayo. At alam ko kayo sa kanila. So, I'm very, very excited and happy for that. Earlier, nakausap ko rin si Sir Chino, if I'm not mistaken, Sir Chino of the world, of the mega world, na maalang based naman sila sa Cebu. So I was so happy also to learn that in Cebu, in the Mactan branch ng Mega World Hotels and Resorts, they also have a halal kitchen, mashallah. When you say halal kitchen, it is a separate, totally separate po ng kitchen yan that is dedicated for halal. And that is halal meaning permissible. Pwede po yan sa lahat ng mga Muslim at hindi Muslim. Sabi nga po na ating mga speakers of the past few days, what is halal and why we have people advocate.